Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with a focus on simplicity and functionality. We're talking about the Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard. It's a no-nonsense keyboard that's designed for a comfortable and quiet typing experience. So, let's get into the details. The Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard is all about keeping things straightforward. It features low-profile keys that offer a comfortable and quiet typing experience. With a sleek matte black design and a standard US layout, this keyboard is perfect for everyday use. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its hotkeys. These hotkeys provide quick and easy access to various functions, making your computing life more convenient. You can effortlessly control media playback, adjust the volume, mute audio, and even access your computer and calculator with just a press of a button. If you're someone who enjoys listening to music or watching videos while working, you'll appreciate the 4 dedicated function keys that control media playback. You can easily go to the previous track, stop, play, pause, and skip to the next track on your favorite media player. It's all about enhancing your multimedia experience. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. This keyboard is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Windows operating systems. Whether you're using Windows 2000, XP, Vista, 7, 8, or 10, this keyboard has you covered. Plus, it's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it into your USB port, and you're good to go. Let's talk about dimensions. This keyboard has a compact and space-saving design, measuring 4 by 5 by 1.1 inches. It won't take up much real estate on your desk, allowing you to maximize your workspace. Additionally, it ships in certified frustration-free packaging, which means you can expect a hassle-free unboxing experience. So, who is this keyboard for? Well, if you're looking for a reliable, no-frills keyboard for everyday use, this might be the one for you. It's ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who values simplicity and functionality in their peripherals. To sum it up, the Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard is a practical and straightforward keyboard that gets the job done. It's comfortable to type on, offers convenient hotkeys, and is compatible with a range of Windows operating systems. If you have any questions about the Amazon Basics low-profile wired USB keyboard or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, sometimes, simplicity is the key to a better computing experience. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one.